Okay, so as I mentioned in the last video, EMP.Money, they've recently changed their UI, their user interface, and the new user interface looks wonderful, looks fantastic. However, this change has just happened, and as this course has already been created, the videos that you're about to see when we go to EMP.Money in my videos, I'll therefore be showing the older version of the EMP.Money interface. Now, let me quickly say, nothing changes at all as far as the functionality goes, just the look and the feel. Now, I'm actually going to remake all the videos very soon. I'm working on that right now. But until they are made, I want you to know that when we go to EMP.Money, we will see what is the new look. So you might therefore want to go and look at the old look of EMP.Money, just so the videos here in this course match what you see. The good news is you can still access the old user interface, or the legacy version as they call it. So let me show you. Let's go to EMP.Money right now. This is how it's looking at the moment. So here we are, and this may be the very first time ever that you've even seen EMP.Money, and I appreciate there's a lot going on, so don't worry about any of this. We're going to break this all down. However, this is the new user interface, and as I've just mentioned, because this is pretty much brand new, the videos for the remainder of this course are going to show you what the user interface used to look like, which looks like this. And the easiest way to access this at any time, so the videos here match what you're seeing on your computer, is simply to go to your address bar at the top here and type in legacy, as you can see here, .emp.money. You may even want to save that as a bookmark. That's the simplest way moving forward. You could look at the new site if you like, but as I say, the videos I'm sharing with you now, I want those to match what you're seeing. So my advice to you would be go to legacy.emp.money, and then everything that you see moving forward at EMP.Money will match the videos that you're watching here in this course. Okay, so make a note of that address, save it as a bookmark, and with that said, let's carry on.